Welcome to my kitchen routine. Let's learn daily kitchen sentences together. I pour juice. I pour juice. I chop vegetables. I chop vegetables. I wash dishes. I wash dishes. I cook rice. I cook rice. I make tea. I make tea. I make coffee. I make coffee. I slice bread. I slice bread. I slice bread. I fry eggs. I fry eggs. I boil milk. I boil milk. I wash vegetables. I wash vegetables. I cut fruits. I cut fruits. I peel potatoes. I peel potatoes. I mix ingredients. I mix ingredients. I bake a cake. I bake a cake. I clean the counter. I clean counter. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I set the table. I set the table. I clear the table. I clear the table. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I store food. I store food. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I take out the garbage. I take out the garbage. I fill the water bottle. I fill the water bottle. I taste the food. I taste the food. I organize the kitchen. I organize the kitchen. I wash the sink. I wash the sink. I clean the stove. I clean the stove. I grind spices. I grind spices. I knead the dough. I knead the dough. I roll chapati. I roll chapati. I wash rice. I wash rice. I cut onions. I cut onions. I heat the food. I heat the food. I serve food. I serve food. I wash the plates. I wash the plates. I drink water. I drink water. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and see you in the next video.